Peace of Allah be upon you. Dear viewers, we greet you warmly.
When you are watching us is dhibka production channel.
Let us subscribe, like, share, and comment. Thank you so much. The first day you come in the office, you follow these steps. 1. Be prepared to go to work. 2. Wear medical shirt to protect you dirty blood and fluid from the patient. 3. Wear face mask to protect you from airborne infection and pass it to him. Number 4. Wash and sanitize your hands so that you do not infect the patient. Be careful when you wash your hands. And then you have to continue your work with caution, protecting yourself and your patient. Wear a gloves when you're starting the work.
Thank you for your watching this clip. Please subscribe for us.